What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we have a super exciting pair of cleats to share with you guys, as we have a pair that is just in time for one of the most highly requested, most highly anticipated, and biggest releases of the year, Venom. So as you guys know, Venom is releasing next Friday, October 5th. I'm super excited to see the movie. I can't wait to see how Tom Hardy does with the role. It should be a good one. And so Eric Ebron wanted to rock the Venom theme this weekend, so we were kind of super excited to just go ahead, give our spin on it, do a little bit of a cartoon graphic on one side, and then a little bit more of a realistic, kind of abstract take where we have the tongue just warping across the entire shoe. So it was just really fun to go ahead and play with our own kind of style with these, because there's a lot that you can do with Venom. So I was super excited to get this as one of the requests from Ebron. So let's go ahead and give you guys a cinematic look at how we made these. So let's go ahead, drop those bars, and let's get into it in 3, 2, 1. So we would love to hear your guys' thoughts on how we did with this pair. We would also love to hear your thoughts on what you think about the upcoming movie, if you're excited for it, what you think from the trailer so far. Like I said, I'm pretty excited. I think it's going to be a good one. So let's go ahead and see what happens next week. But go ahead, give this video a like if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed to the page, and we will see you guys in that next video.